Hello, welcome back with the second tutorial video of HTML course. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Sublime Text software. HTML code can be written in Notepad, which is found in every laptop, but I prefer Sublime Text to write HTML code. Don't worry if you don't have set a file of Sublime Text. I'll put the download link of Sublime Text in description below. Now let's begin installation process. This completes full installation process of Sublime Text. See you in next video.